Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Miss you, Santa.
You miss Santa?
I love you. You love me. Give us presents for their cheers.
Hey guys, welcome
Back.
welcome back to Marla's World. And today I have with me Bella and Jefar. You'll see Jefar in a little bit. But we will be decorating the Christmas tree. So this is my second time decorating the
I can't put that on.
This is my second time decorating the Christmas tree. Bella is very hyper, like very, very hyper. She gets blue when she sees my brother.
Look at the Santa Claus hat.
Bella, come. Let's tell them what we're doing.
We're gonna decorate the Christmas tree.
It is my second time decorating a Christmas tree. My first time was last year when I got my very own Christmas tree for the first time. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna be using the Christmas tree from last year because it is a fake Christmas tree I have here, and then we're gonna be using decorations that I have from last year as well as decorations from this year. So that's what we'll be doing. So anyways, let's get into the video.
Woo! Guys, this is doing good. Woo-hoo! This is for shirt. Guys, we're doing good.
Guys, there's actually lights on it, so I didn't buy any Christmas light because I didn't want it to do too much. Okay.
If they're gonna go all the way up there, since I have a little one, because I wish I could have a bigger one with just like look at Marla's.
So this is the before, and we'll see the after soon. Let me turn this. So you don't see
What's that?
the skirt.
So pendant's gonna go there? Huh?
Yep.
Okay.
This is so small.
Sorry guys. Sorry I'm blocking. This is gonna be so exciting. This is how you hang it up, guys. Look.
You get to hang it up how you want it.
I get it with red. Ah!
Guys, this was the topper from last year, but this year I have a new topper. It's this one. I like this one more because it's gold, and I'm kind of going for a gold and white kind of theme. Gold and white, yeah, because the tree's already green. So yes, please.
Guys, I don't know because this is tangled. It's totally tangled. I don't like that. Oh, I'm gonna put the tree right over here. The little one. Yellow ornament. I'm gonna do preschool. Okay. These are kind of like, guys, I like doing Christmas. Do you like doing Christmas? Yes. Do you don't like? Yes, you do. Cause don't. Yeah. Perfect. Jafar's coming to help. He's scary.
First, scary.
Yes.
What am I doing?
You're just helping. Oh, yeah. Oh, these ones are gone.
Jingle bell time is the right time.
Can I do that one? Because I picked it.
Yeah, you can do that one if you want to. You can do
So
one.
they really put the string in here and they expect you to string it up.
Yeah.
That's so disrespectful.
Yeah, but Little Christmas.
You know what? I'm gonna string these all up for you guys so you guys can come.
Okay. Got it.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
No singing. You only
Everywhere you go.
can sing in the video.
Marla, you listening to me? You singing a Christmas song like this? That's a bass to it, you know what I mean? It's beginning to look a lot like, you know what I mean? Tell her, Bella.
Nope.
Bella, you sound like when you're not on my side, bro.
Oh, just most of the time.
Imagine I come over here and make a Christmas tree, you're not on my side, Bella.
Nope.
It's fine, you can't keep working on
Yep, I'm on the Harley.
it. Okay, so you call it quits then, alright, no problem. No problem.
I'm not gonna be, but I'm gonna be, I'm only gonna be in Marla's team.
You said no team, but Marla's team, so pick your mind. You want my team or Marla's team?
Marla's team.
Alright, got it. Got it, my G.
I got sparkly Bruno. You wanted these two, right?
Yeah, those are cute.
Well, I got these ones. Well, I'll get them for you. But I put them, two of them together for you. Since you want them.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome. It just makes me friends.
What did she say?
I don't know. What'd you say?
I said I like being friends.
Aww. That's why you're my best friend. You know that, right?
You got friends at school, Bella?
Yep.
But I'm still her best friend regardless, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Bella, can I be your best friend too?
Yeah.
Really?
No, I'm kidding. I don't want to be best friends with you.
She not face, bruh.
Like, I don't care, bro. Like, it is whatever, man.
Because I said I'm not in your team? Huh?
Bella,
Yeah.
you 5 jumping jacks.
Nope. No Jack and Jacks in the video.
Bella,
What?
wait. You 5 jumping jacks.
No!
You don't fight, Bella.
Nope. No fighting in the game.
No fighting in the what?
No fighting in the video.
They're all up there.
I'm a reindeer. I'm a reindeer. I'm a reindeer. I'm a reindeer. I'm a reindeer.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Yeah.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Woo! Guys, oh, I have a story time to tell y'all.
Aim was better.
Wait, guys, I have a story time to tell y'all. So when we were living in Jamaica, right? I think Jefar heard the song playing. That song, Santa Claus is coming to town. He was a little kid. And he came down and he was like, guys, Santa Claus is coming to town. my goodness.
We have to be a
I mean, who
Santa.
didn't believe in Santa when they were young?
Me, I never believed in Santa Claus.
Probably because they never like pushed it as much as they did when I was young. When I was like 9.
So are you calling me old?
Yes, if that's the case, because ain't nobody really used to celebrate Christmas in Jamaica.
Now we're gonna show you the Christmas tree with the lights. This is the finished product, so we're gonna turn the lights on.
I'm gonna get out the light.
And now that it's on, oh, I like it. It's not bad. I don't like this though.
Imagine
So
if the
hot.
top, imagine if the star actually glowed.
Wow, that would be
Yellow,
cool.
that would be popping.
Yeah. So that's it. And now we're gonna turn the lights off so you can see. You okay?
I don't know what it
You gotta
is.
play, you know what you gotta play when you're doing this? Life would be dream. Life would be dream.
Oh my goodness! It's so pretty!
Oh my goodness. I'm so proud of our work, right? Teamwork, right? Teamwork. Woohoo! Good job. This is so pretty. We did a good job. You like it, Jefar? Wow. I'm so proud of her. These girls are on fire. Okay, I can't sing. But it's really nice.
Oh, yes, sir.
It's really, really nice.
I know. What is going in a while?
Isn't it so nice that the lights are just like built in? You just gotta plug them in.
Yeah. Oh, you could be Santa Claus. Where's my gift now, Bella? Where's my gift?
I don't have this. I got Santa Claus.
She threw that thing off. She's just like, I'm not Santa Claus.
Marla, this is perfect for your Christmas tree.
I know, it's perfect. I love it.
Marla, I wish I could have that Christmas tree.
You can take it. Bring it home with you.
It says number 2. So it's number 2 years old?
Okay, I'm gonna.
Yeah, Marla, but we need some more pop things.
No, you don't. You just want to mess with that
She
thing.
loves those.
But yes, guys, this is the
And
official Christmas tree for 2020. Yeah, 2020. So comment
And
down below
2021.
and forevermore. So guys, comment down below and let me know what you think of our Christmas tree. Like, did you guys like it or not? Or
yes, you
like, if you have suggestions, we're open to that too because
but you like it because of the star.
I like it because of the stars and the lights and the ornaments. They're very nice.
Yeah,
I like
but I'm worried about the star.
You worried about it? Why?
Because it's not going right.
It's not going right?
No.
Oh, okay.
Because the lights, maybe the lights are there.
Yay! What's your favorite? Let's talk. What's your favorite part of Christmas?
Getting presents.
I was just gonna say the same thing. Like,
Do you know
If it's not
that
that-
Christmas is not your birthday, it's Jesus' birthday?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Jesus' birthday?
Yeah, it is Jesus' birthday.
And he was a young boy.
Yeah, when he was just born in a manger. Remember Jesus? Like we prayed to Jesus and God?
Yup.
Yeah.
Only in church.
Not only in church, we do it when we go to sleep and when we're eating and things like that.
At church.
Yeah, in that church.
Hey!
So wait. So this Christmas, I want you to remember that it's Jesus' birthday and we're celebrating Christmas because of Jesus. I know you're gonna be super excited for your gifts and everything else, but it's also Jesus' birthday and we're celebrating him.
I would see Santa. And then I go back to sleep. So Santa don't know that I'm asleep.
Are you gonna leave Santa cookies and milk?
I don't think so. Okay, you're gonna do that because we are. I wish we could do that one.
Anyways, let's tell them goodbye. So, you're heavy now. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed us just putting up this Christmas tree and a little chit chat.
Hey guys, can you know I don't want to leave this house because I love it.
So now you want to stay? Remember I told you to stay over the other night and you were like, nope, I want to go to my new house. But anyways, guys, this is the official Christmas tree and I'm so excited. Can you see me as a reindeer?
I'm not a reindeer.
I can't wink.
Huh?
But anyways, guys, let me know what you think. And thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
And you just don't like my dress.
And we'll be posting more Christmas videos here and there.
Yeah.
I don't think I'll be doing Vlogmas, but I'll be posting a few Christmas videos. So guys, stay tuned for those. I'm excited for the videos that we have coming up. So yeah.
She has a lot of videos, and I'm gonna celebrate my video. I went for my videos.
Okay, so guys, we will see you in the next video.
Yup.
Toodles.